For a versatile and powerful blender, consider the Vitamix. Its robust motor, variable speed control, and durable build make it ideal for smoothies, soups, and more. It's a top choice for blending excellence and longevity. There are many products available to choose a blender, each with different characteristics, benefits. To help you make an informed decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and made a list of the best blender from renowned brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for folks like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my video description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. NutriBullet Blender Combo. This well-priced and high-powered blender comes with 3 jars, making it super versatile and our pick for the best value. It includes a 64-ounce pitcher for large batches, and 2 different personal-size cups, 32 ounces and 24 ounces with a handle. Both cups have lids that make it easy to take your smoothie to go. It features an extract button that blends smoothies at pre-programmed variable speeds. We blended kale smoothies in all 3 jars, and all were uniformly smooth with no flecks. It also blasted through frozen strawberries effortlessly to make a delicious, evenly processed liqueur. The base is not much larger than other NutriBullet models, and it has suction cups on the bottom that reliably prevent it from shifting around. The blades screw onto the top of the personal cups, and then get inverted to be blended, so be careful to unscrew the personal blending cups from the base of the blender when you're done blending. It's easy to accidentally make a mess if you unscrew the cup from the blade instead. Number 2. Vitamix A3500 Ascend Series Smart Blender. Winner of the prestigious Kitchen Gear Award, this blender proved its excellence in a rigorous test against 8 Vitamix counterparts, and outshone 25 other blender models. Its outstanding performance, combined with a sleek touch interface, sets it apart. Boasting 5 program settings, a programmable timer, variable speed, and pulse options, this blender offers a versatile and user-friendly experience. One of its remarkable features is compatibility with all of Vitamix's self-detect containers. These containers not only come in personal sizes, but also include attachments like a food processor, stainless steel container, and the innovative 48-ounce color containers. The self-detect technology allows the blender to recognize the container's size automatically, adjusting blend settings accordingly. It effortlessly produced the best-tasting kale and strawberry smoothie, passing through a sieve without a trace of kale flecks or strawberry pieces. Milkshakes achieved a delightful creaminess and frothiness, homemade peanut butter emerged silky smooth with no residual chunks, and margaritas reached restaurant-quality standards with a luxuriously fluffy consistency. While the blender's performance was outstanding, it was notable for being loud when tackling challenging ingredients. However, the overall results surpassed those of the competing models we tested. Number 3. Breville Fresh and Furious Blender. We were very impressed with how well this blender performed for its great price point. The green smoothie setting yielded a smooth and creamy texture, with no sign of fibrous kale or spinach. This blender also has a regular smoothie button which will provide you with a juice bar quality smoothie in 1 minute. In our tests, this blender pureed soup to a silky smooth texture, and produced a mighty fine margarita as well. The Fresh and Furious is easy to clean, and the jar and lid are dishwasher safe. In our tests, we found very few flaws, though the jar is just 50 ounces, and became stained a little from tomato sauce. Another high-performing blender from Breville that we have tested is the Breville 3X Blucer Pro. In our tests, this model produced creamy and smooth soup, and a strawberry green smoothie that had no sign of kale. While this model is a little more pricey, it does offer the ability to juice with it as well, 2 appliances in one. Or, if you're on the hunt for a hand blender instead of a full-size blender, we also recommend the Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender, which tested best in our Immersion Blender lab tests with a non-stick blender arm and perfectly emulsified mayo. Number 4. Ninja SS101 Foodie Smoothie Maker and Nutrient Extractor. We've extensively tested various personal blenders over time, and one particular model stood out for its impressive array of presets, setting it apart from many others that merely offer a pulse button. What sets this blender apart is its dedicated smoothie bowl maker cup, equipped with a built-in tamper, allowing for efficient blending of ingredients to achieve a velvety, thick consistency without requiring excessive liquid. During our testing, we were particularly impressed by the rich and creamy texture of the margarita, devoid of any grit from the finely powdered sugar used. Not to mention, the homemade peanut butter was effortlessly smooth and creamy in less than 3 minutes. The blender's secure suction to your counter ensures stability, especially noteworthy during its pulse-style auto smoothie setting. Alongside the 14-ounce smoothie bowl jar, this model includes 2 24-ounce blender jars with travel lids, all conveniently dishwasher safe. For those seeking versatility, the Foodie Power Blender and Processor System from the Ninja Foodie line is an excellent choice. Our tests revealed its capability to seamlessly transition between crafting personal smoothies and whipping up larger batches of frozen margaritas. The blender excelled in producing smooth and creamy soups and milkshakes, further solidifying its place as a top performer in the Ninja Foodie lineup. Number 5. KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender. The KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender with Personal Blending Jar KSB4031 is a powerhouse appliance that seamlessly combines versatility and performance for a top-notch blending experience. With its robust 1200-watt motor, this blender effortlessly tackles a variety of tasks, from crushing ice to blending smoothies and soups with precision. The variable speed control allows you to tailor the blending process to your specific needs, ensuring optimal results every time. The inclusion of a personal blending jar adds a convenient touch, making it easy to create individual servings without the need for additional containers. Designed with durability in mind, the blender features a sturdy die-cast metal base and stainless steel blades that effortlessly cut through ingredients. The sleek and modern design adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen countertop, while the easy-to-clean components simplify post-blending maintenance. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or simply looking to upgrade your kitchen arsenal, the KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender with Personal Blending Jar is a reliable and stylish choice that delivers exceptional performance with every use. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.